Hey everybody! Welcome to Raw Reviews, where we take an unedited look at some of our favorite camera accessories. I'm Nick from Cameta Camera, along with Nikolai.
Also from Cameta Camera.
Also from Cameta Camera. And in case you couldn't tell, today we are looking at
Smith & Victor ring lights, specifically the 13.5 inch right here.
Yep, and we also have a 19-inch ring light available for those of you who need a larger circle with more lumens. So let's first just talk about some of the specs of this so that we can get that out of the way, and then we can show it in use and everything. This 13.5-inch ring light has an output of, should have memorized this before we started, 3,600 lumens. It's daylight balanced, so regular 5600K, which is basically what you want whenever you're shooting any kind of portraits, right?
And basically, we're not going to turn it on during this. Well, as it's straight, oh, you're going to
real fast.
Our cameraman
It's very bright.
His,
it's very, very bright.
His sunglasses.
This kind of light is primarily used for portraits, modeling shoots. Makeup tutorials are a big thing on YouTube right now.
If you're doing some kind of vlogging on YouTube, Facebook Live, or something like that, it's kind of a staple light. You'll see that nice circle in everyone's eye.
You get that great catch light, yeah.
That's how you get the catch light right there.
Yeah, and this is sort of, if any of you do makeup, it's similar to the makeup light that you would have on your little mirror in your bathroom. It's got the same even lighting. It gives you a nice soft lighting that sort of surrounds your face, and it helps to reduce blemishes and smooth out the skin. So
it makes you look good.
It does make you look pretty good.
That's why you need one.
So we definitely need one. Unfortunately, we have regular studio lights. We can't have these in front of us.
I don't know. The Octoboxes do an okay job.
All right. Well,
but this is bad.
I'll bring one of these home for when I start my makeup tutorials.
Anyway, what's next?
I don't know. All right, so let's talk about some of the specs. Beyond that, it only uses 42 watts of energy, and that's basically just one incandescent bulb, and that's because it's all LEDs, so it basically uses almost no power, and those lights are nice and cool.
Yeah, it doesn't produce a lot of heat.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about your subjects being, deluged by heat when they're in front of the hot lights. There are no hot lights. It's just nice, cool LEDs.
Your makeup running while you're doing your tutorial.
Exactly. I never have to worry about that. And another thing that's great about it is that it has a stepless dimmer. So you can control the output of this light anywhere from 10% all the way up to 100%.
Yeah, so there's no clicking. It's just a smooth transition.
Right. Now I'll show you that by releasing this tilt head here. Now you can see the dimmer is right here on the bottom, and that doubles as your power switch. So when you turn it on, you can start real low, but then as you dial it up, it gets real bright.
And that's right into it.
3,600 lumens right there. And another great thing is that you can further reduce the light or soften the light because it comes with...
Or spread the light.
Or you can spread the light out because it comes with these diffusers. Now one of them is just a regular white diffuser, which you would use to soften the light when you're shooting real close up to a model.
So that's daylight balanced, pretty
much.
Daylight
balanced. And then you can have tungsten balanced. This is a 3200K filter, and you would just put this on top, and it makes the light more orange the way it would be with an incandescent regular light bulb.
A little warmer,
Yep, so you get a nice warm look. So, I don't know if there's anything else to talk about. It mounts on any light stand, so that's pretty simple.
We should maybe mention this little rail that you're going to see here.
This has a little cold shoe on here, so if you have a ball head or some other kind of accessory that...
Let me just mention this because I had to research this because I'm tech support. The only one that fits on here is one that's made by the company.
Oh.
So you have to buy the specific one for this if you want to have the mount to put your cell phone on there.
Now we do carry that, and it's meant for smartphones and lightweight cameras. So you wouldn't be mounting a DSLR on there or anything.
No.
You'd be shooting that from behind the ring light and shooting through the middle. But if you wanted to put a smartphone or a webcam or some other kind of product on there that's nice and lightweight while you're doing streaming or vlogging or whatever else, that's a perfect accessory. So we carry that as well.
Yep.
All right, so let's put it to the test. Let's see what it does.
All right, let's do
Just
a
in case
little
anybody
demo.
out there has never seen a ring light, you basically, I'm going to put this diffuser on so it doesn't blow me away here. And this is the quest for the new profile pic. So we're going to, hopefully one of this will come out decent. Sorry, I'm not used to it. There we go.
Now, do we remember what power output we had this on when we did the initial shot?
I'm not sure. You might have to use an auto mode.
No,
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm a professional. I don't use auto.
All right, so let's give it a shot.
No pun intended. All right, just needs a little more.
Oh, wait. I'll open up the eyes real big so I get that catch light.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Puppy dog eyes.
I'm sorry, just the expression you were making. I couldn't help myself.
We say these are unedited, but we'll throw one of those into the video so you can see my ridiculous expression. But the point is if you look at my face, and as unshaven and unkempt as it is,
Just look at the eyes. That's all you need to see.
just look at my eyes and look
the
at how it
eyes.
smooths out my skin, and it makes me look a lot nicer than I actually am.
For shame, sir.
Oh, you can compliment me all you want.
You're
Go ahead.
amazing.
Lay it on me. No?
No, this is a makeup tutorial. Sorry.
All right. So, the Smith & Victor, is that what it's called? Smith Victor, not Smith and Victor. Ring light is available in 13.5 inches. It's also available in 19 inches, and the 19-inch version gives you 4,800 lumens versus the 3,600 lumens. So if you're looking for a little bit more light, and it barely uses any more energy, it's like 55 watts versus the 42 on this one. It's really a great light. It's professionals use them all the time. If you ever go to like a department store in their makeup departments, they have ring lights like this so they can take pictures of you and show you how you would look in pictures like that. This is really a great versatile light. It can be used for a lot more than makeup tutorials. That's just one of the more popular things.
You did
now.
forget one more accessory that's right by your foot that you didn't show.
Oh yeah.
Just before we forget, it does come with a nice carry case if you
sure
need
does.
to do some on-location stuff.
Yep. And let me just see if there's anything else in here that I'm missing.
We could.
But it has a. I just zipped both zippers. There we go.
There you go, buddy.
Yeah, plenty of room in there. It's nice and padded.
It's got divider for it, so you can put the diffusers in another spot away from the light.
Yep. That's it, everybody.
That's pretty much it.
That's
Again,
a ring light.
This is ideal for anyone that's doing YouTube, Facebook Live kind of stuff. It's, you know, it's kind of a staple now.
Yep.
If you want that nice circular ring light, this is the one to go for.
Yep, and you can get it at Cameta.com. For the 13.5-inch version, it is $139, and for the 19-inch version, it's $169.
So not a big difference in price.
Nope, and it's well worth it. If you're taking portraits or if you're, you know, doing any kind of streaming webcam type stuff, it is really nice to have. So,
All right.
There it is, Smith Victor ring light.
And you can get yours now
At Cameta.com.